Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by finding the song's spine, the repeating right-hand motif and steady left-hand ostinato. First, decide whether to play in E major or transpose to C to simplify fingering. Once done, learn the motif hands separately. The right-hand pattern outlines the melody while the left holds steady quarter-note pulses. Practice at 60-70 BPM with a metronome. This establishes coordination and muscle memory. Make sure to use consistent fingerings so small refinements later will feel natural and repeatable. Now combine hands and map the harmony. Voice the chords with rootless 7/THS or open fifths to match the song's airy texture. Once combined, focus on dynamics, keep verses subdued and let climaxes swell naturally. This creates emotional contrast. Practice adding pedals sparingly. Half pedal for wash without blurring the motifs. Also, break long phrases into 4 8-bar sections, rehearse transitions slowly, and then increase tempo gradually, so your timing and voicing remain consistent as complexity grows. To finish, shape the piece with subtle rubato and finalize tempos that preserve the song's wistful mood. Once done, record a run-through and listen for balance between melody and accompaniment, correct any buried motifs. If a passage resists, isolate those bars and work them at 40 to 50% speed until clean, then reintegrate. Finally, make staging choices, reverb, soft pedal use, or slight transposition to suit your instrument. If things go wrong, slow down, simplify voicings, and rebuild from the motif.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.